Thank you so much. My name is Aya Jacqueline Cosmas. I come from South Sudan and I work for GIZ as a technical agriculture advisor, and I work for a project called Food and Nutrition Security and Management of Natural Resources.
My name is Jacob Zulu, and I come from Mozambique. And currently, I'm actually a director for a consulting company. We are doing agricultural service provision in terms of inputs and technical support to smallholder farmers. And then we are also into aggregation of crop to support the farmer, linking them to viable markets.
Thank you very much. My name is Khalid Yunus Sultan. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm currently leading a private consulting firm named Ubuntu. So we deliver various trainings, including agriculture-related trainings, to our clients. So I'm a founding member, and I'm currently the general manager of the company.
My name is Edem Nisagawo. I'm from Togo, but I'm working as um, senior monitoring and evaluation officer and at African Capacity Building Foundation, ACDF.
Being an FBS master trainer, it has given me an opportunity to become an ambassador, first of all, in my country, to be able to roll out these very, very good approaches to our farmers. Our farmers coming from South Sudan, first of all, we have been so behind when it comes to agriculture, because we have been through the conflict, and we have not implemented so much. Farmers are really on the run and they couldn't really settle. So this provides me an opportunity to be able to roll out the approach and be able to also bring more trainers who can roll out the approach to our farmers.
Well, for me and of course for my company, it means a lot because being a master trainer for FBS is a big responsibility in the sense that we are guaranteeing the quality of the training for the farmers in terms of business orientation. But at the same time, we have a bigger task that the attitude of farmers, has to change in the right direction. That is doing farming as a business. So we are molding the transmitters of this change. So I play actually a very critical and significant role as a master trainer. Thank you.
So for the last several years, I have been participating in the ABF project, specifically in the FPS project. So under this project, I have already witnessed so many farmers transforming, like from being an ordinary farmer to being a business person. So in all these processes, the trainers have played a very important role. So for me, as a master trainer, I have the responsibility of equipping trainers, build skills that will make them to be able to deliver the FPS training to the farmers at the farmers level. So in this process, being part of the ABF family as an FPS master trainer, it gives me a real pleasure, and it makes me even keeps my motivation to continue on bringing the positive change that we are currently creating.
The most important thing is that this approach and tools, I think, in my opinion, they are contributing a lot into the development in Africa because, as you all know, agriculture is taking part of. I can say that it's representing the bulk of African economy, and then coming up with an approach like FBS and the other tools. I think it's a real tool that African need and African must promote and use systematically for the development of its economy through agriculture.
This conference actually has given me a very big opportunity to be able to update the knowledge and the skills of FBS. That is one. Two, it has given me an opportunity to also learn about the new agribusiness, the new fund that is the matching grant. From here, I can be able to also be able to tell other partners of private sector who are interested to apply for the fund to also be part of the implementation of this project.
Very interesting. I would say that the most significant is that for over a decade now, we have had a very good support from GIZ and the BMZ, which has been very significant in spearheading the agribusiness approaches. So, and that has actually helped a lot of farmers. And now, our coming here, the focus has been actually on forming the association that is going to anchor the ABF approaches after the the ABF facility has phased out. So that is very key to sustainability of these approaches. The other thing is at least we have a window where we are going to have an opportunity to have matching grants. So I also see in that sense my company, because I'm into aggregation of maize. So I'm looking at it of having an opportunity to be part of this matching grant scheme. Besides that, what has also been very critical is the post training support that is actually given to the farmers. So when you look at the post support training, that is the linkage that we create to the off takers. That is very cardinal. So those are key issues that I'm taking with me back home. Very important.
Yes, in this conference, I have managed to have share experience with several other master trainers from many countries. So we have been sharing our experiences, and this is the right time for us to establish an association whereby all the activities which have been performed by ABF has to be somehow transferred to the association because we have to maintain the sustainability and we have to continue to reach hundreds and thousands, if not millions, of farmers in Africa. So this has to be implemented by the association. So from this conference onwards, when I go back to my home, to my country, Ethiopia, I will definitely work on how we can contribute we can be a better contributor of the realization of this ABF, Master Trainers Association, so that we can be stronger, so that we can be more sustainable, and so that we can be, reaching so many other farmers, which are eagerly expecting us to reach and to help them in improving their livelihoods.
I think, yeah, we are a new partner of this program, especially the ABF of GIZ. First of all, I think I'm quite impressed about what I've seen in the conference because the conference has gathered experts in agribusiness training, and then they are master. So I think the commitment and also the level of knowledge about the, the different tools and methodology that we use for the training, and also the willingness for them to create an association to bring together the master trainers to be able to promote not only the approach that they are using, but also to be able to come together to support and promote agribusiness in Africa. This is a very, I would say, very interesting conference. And then I've learned a lot because this is the first time I'm participating in this kind of conference in the continent.